Hey guys, welcome back to Raven. And I just started Animal Jam and I figured out there were like Animal Jam codes. And I already kind of tried them out, but we're gonna try some new ones. But I'm not gonna spoil it. I spoil it for you, don't worry. Anyway, so let's get started to the video. We are going to do the daily spin. Oh, I almost got that present. Oh, I got a mail. Anyways, I'm gonna try these out, but I'm just gonna go to my den first. So first up, we're gonna try the penguins one. So if you wanna do it, you go press settings, and then you do AJ code, and then redeem code. And then first you write penguin. No, I wrote that wrong. Penguins. And then you get your gift. You don't really get the animal penguin. And then you earned a new pet. And I'm making my eyes like this, black. And I like my one striped. Okay, I want it blue. And I don't want a pattern on it. Okay, next I'm gonna name it King Jinx? King Joyful Jinx. Adopt this pet. Yeah, this will probably take one. Oh yay, I got my first pet. Alright, well this account is quite new. And the next one we're going to do is AJ. No, we're gonna do Juno. Redeem code Juno. Oh, hidden Juno statue. Okay, we're gonna decorate that later because that's just gonna take forever. Anyways, face the screen. We're gonna do this again. So first, let's just see. Juno. AJB Day. AJB Day, and then I think there was an A, isn't there? Then yay, it actually worked. Okay, we're gonna try some more, but let's just find NGKA J19 NJKA. What's next? J19. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh. I have to do this on my other account, so I'll do that later. I already got the penguin one. Okay, we'll do pirate ship. Pirate ship. Oh no, I have to go in loading caps. Pirate ship. Woohoo! Yeah, and Arctic is 5,000 gems. We're going to do Arctic. No, I mean 5. Oh, that one doesn't work. You can do 12. So then 12. Well, 12. Yay, I got one diamond. Let's just see. Oh, I got 2. Let's just see some more. You know what? I'm just gonna copy and paste this. I'm too lazy to. And then paste. Oh. I don't like the music. Annual to play. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, this one actually worked. Winter game. And then you get the mystery amount shiver. Well, let's see some more. I'll do. Oh gosh. Bee Park. Hey. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That actually worked. I didn't know that would work. I'm gonna try AJB Day 7. AJB Day 7. I don't think it will work. Yep. That one didn't work. Okay, annual to play. Did I already do that? I think I did. I'll try. Wait. These are expired, but who knows? Maybe they're not. Power backpack panda. I don't really know what's a panda power backpack. But yep, those are expired. Expired. YSL. Super sheep. I'm gonna do. To be honest, none of these doesn't really matter. You know, why can't I just? Oh yes, we should do rare items. Promo codes. Actually, let me just go back. I don't know what I just did. I'm just gonna do silly seal. Seal. Oh no, I'm running cap. Seal. Seal. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I gotta do with this with the other ones. I'm gonna do quick horse because if it like it's amazing. Quick horse. Oh my gosh. Okay, maybe we should. Whoa. I'm gonna keep on going. I'm never gonna stop. Ha ha ha. Okay. Let me slow off. Oh. Okay, there. Super sheep. Super sheep. Oh my gosh. Sneaky cocker, snowy leopard, super sheep, swift deer. Wait. Okay. Type swift deer. I'm about to do this on my other account, but I just want to show you. Okay, I think that's enough for today because I have more than $30,000. Okay, thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you subscribe to this channel and watch some more videos because it's going to get amazing. It is.